We have a very special guest this evening right here. Is my namesake. Yeah. His name is Mr. Ricardo Rawal. Welcome back to the show, sir.
Welcome, welcome. Thanks for having me, my brother. Is it?
Yeah, you know, we had to get you back because the last time you were here, it was a bit kind of rushed. And yeah, but you have new materials now, and I said, if you had anything new, we're going to bring you back very quickly. And normally we don't bring back an artist that quickly in the Upnlive show. But because you're a namesake, you have to forward back again, right? That makes sense?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I appreciate it 100%.
Yeah, so what's good for the new year, the 2018?
Well, 2018, I must say, looking very, very promising. You see, so currently I got 3 big projects which I'm working on right now.
Yeah.
You see, and hopefully by midsummer, you see the full work of what I talk about. So, yeah, definitely.
Okay. So anything by midsummer, say about May, June or so?
Yeah, definitely around them times. Because I'm in the studio now working on a track. Yeah, hopefully I'll finish that soon.
Okay.
Yeah, and that one's going to be a big one still. That one, I've got a lot of hope in that one still.
Are you still with the same record label?
Well, right now, I'm independent still. You see me? I do my own thing.
Okay.
Yeah. True loyalty. You see me?
True loyalty.
Yeah.
That's why I'm looking at the brand and I'm kind of picking up something as if you're branding yourself with this, because if you look at me, I was looking at the cap and then I saw it on the shirt. I'm like, this must be a brand or something.
Yeah, definitely. Like right now, I'm trying to concentrate on building myself as a brand.
Okay.
You see, because like I'm trying to set up my own record company.
Yeah.
Which I already registered already, because I self-distribute my own projects.
Yeah. And
I'm working on clothing line, as you can see, and I'm also doing promotions as well.
Okay, so is that the direction for 2018?
Yeah, definitely, because come next month, I'm starting a project where I showcase artists from in and around London, and
okay.
That's like I secured the venue and everything already, so I'll get the venue for the whole entire month already. So it's gonna be the first Friday of every month.
You're gonna be doing like a stage show, like?
Yeah, definitely, is it? So like the idea behind it still, I want to do. The first one is just an introduction, and the second one now I want to set up where every artist who involved they get some form of reward, is it? So that's what I'm working on still.
So for those who never seen you before or who's listening to you, can you just explain to them who is Ricardo Rawal?
Well, Ricardo Rawal, I'm upcoming UK dancehall artist, as is me. So that's me right now. Currently I've got EP out called Can't Stop My Shine. It's on iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify. Yeah, check me out on Instagram as well. You see what I'm going on there still.
Yeah, but you have a new song out right at the moment. What's the name of this song?
Yeah, this song is not really out as yet. Is it me?
Well, it's
gonna be out.
It's gonna be out soon.
Yeah, so I'm promoting this song. This one is called One Chance.
One Chance.
Yeah.
Is it a true life story, or is just something that you made up? It's something that happened to you. You only got one chance, and you're making use of your chance. Is this a part of your life story?
Yeah, some part of it is a part of my life story, but it's a song where everyone can relate to. Cause when you listen to the words of it, everyone can relate to it, and I've got a lot of faith in this track. I just need to put in the work and definitely get out there.
Yeah, but I've seen you been doing lots of promotion lately as well. I've seen you quite a few shows. How is it working for you? Do you finding that people are accepting Ricardo Rawal's music, or do you find it as an obstacle to get people to actually to support your music? How is it working for you?
Well, I don't really look at obstacles, because as I said, the first show which I've been on, funny enough, it was a year show. The one mic thing.
That's the one mic, yeah.
Yeah, which I'm very grateful for, and that's a year now. And the progress which I've made from then till now, I'm very proud of myself. Which I done all by myself. I don't really get no help and support from no one, but I don't really watch that because I know what I want, so I'm going for what I want.
Yeah, but you have to work for it, you know?
You see it, definitely. Yeah, so and that's what I'm doing. That's why I say the song One Chance is basically that song is talking about everything what I'm doing still. Yeah, so the one chance thing, and that way I deal with still, you see it. So we just I go for what we want, and no matter what, the obstacles or whatever, we just go insane. We're not make that stop with.
Of course, that is definite. That sounds sensible. That sounds mature to me. This is all you're speaking to me as if you sound like you've been in the business for years now, and you learn from mistakes. Seems like you've walked down some road that you shouldn't have gone down, and you've learned your lesson, and realizing the direction that you should have been going from day one. And I like that.
Yeah, definitely. It's funny enough what he says still is a real thing.
That's the message I'm getting from you.
Yeah.
In everyone's life, there comes a part in time where you have to realize the situation, know where you stand, and then you have to put yourself into a different predicament where it will be better for your future and better for your music. And I realize that you've made changes where it's now propelling you where you need to be as an artist and as an individual. As I said, that's growth.
Definitely.
So what big plans you said you have for 2018? You're releasing new songs coming for May?
Yeah. What happens? I'm basically working with some international producers. I'm working, like currently I've got a track which I need to do for a producer based in America.
Yeah.
And I'm working with a producer now in Germany. So all of that come because of the work which
you've been active, yeah.
Yeah, and they see the work which I'm doing and they hit me up and say, listen, we want to work with you. And like, I'm open to working with people.
Yeah.
You see me? I don't really like trying to box myself in. You see me? I'm open to work with people, and right now that's what I'm doing still.
Yeah, but that is good. But is there any particular persons in the UK that you see that you could collaborate with at the moment in terms of probably not say dance or maybe a different genre?
Definitely. But to me still, the person who I admire his work rate is Styler G.
Styler G.
Yeah, because I know I remember when Styler G just started and where he's at right now. You see me? I admire his work rate, and definitely somebody who would like to work with 100%.
Okay, so Styler G is he's almost like an icon now.
Yeah, definitely.
Because he's been there so long and he's remained to stay consistent throughout the year. He may not be putting out a lot of songs, but the song that but to me, he doesn't put a lot of songs, but the song that he puts out, they're very effective.
Yeah.
Because if he drops a song, he works that song until it gets where it needs to go. I think maybe you should take a page out of that book.
Yeah, definitely. Cause I pay close note to Styler G still. I listen to some of his interviews and the way he talks. I appreciate like a person who know what they're doing and structure the thing.
Yeah.
And to me, he's got a formula which he's working with and it is paying off for him still, and I appreciate that.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. And we wish you all the best for 2018 and all the new projects that you have. But you just come back with your set, and normally everyone that comes on the Upnlive show have to give us a quick cameo of something. You ready for this?
Yeah, definitely, man. I'm always ready, man. Rawal, Ricardo, yes, yeah.
That's right. The namesake is here this evening, and we're going to be having him live on set this evening. This is Ricardo Rawal live here on the Wheels of Steel. We got Dragon Allstar.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Dragon Allstar.
Ready?
I'm ready, man.
Let's go.
Yeah. You don't know what Rawal. Try and freestyle a little thing for the ponder one. Listen me. E.G. Eric, listen me. Time no wait for no one. Summer now waste time. And tomorrow no guarantee. Today me a look mine. You a sit down and wait. You may see a chance to pass you. Nobody wait for no dream come true. Get up and make it happen. Today you're there, tomorrow you're gone. Nobody wait, take your chance. Hard work paid off. No girl want elevate me, I elevate my na skylark. Them a sit down and wait, them me bypass. Gonna lead, me nasty your last one. Better for me family, no matter the cost. With my shoulders to the wheel, my must achieve my task. Cause you get one chance in life, so you have to take it. And if you reach for the skies, you can reach it. Me said the world is yours, so go and take it. You get one chance in life. You get one chance in life, so you have to take it. Just believe in yourself, and you will make it. I said the world is yours, so go and take it. You get one chance in life. Listen me, yo. Me say, before you judge me, take a walk in my shoes. If you no mind sharp, in your life you lose. You never walk the road when me walk. So why you passing them dirty remarks, mate? See me a smiling on my heart, me a cry when me look back. and where me come from. Uncle got alone know how me got through. So now me arise why you a fight me. The pain and frustration make me stronger. More them fight me reign longer. Believing in myself, me them can't conquer. Some want know how with them bad mind me for. More them envy my success creator. Now me act like the equator. We a take on the road like a car tire. Them no rate me leave them feel later. DJ Eric, them can't stop our shine.
Can't stop your shine.
Them can't stop our shine.
It's almost like we planned this. It sounds so fluent. Was just flowing smooth like we planned this, but we didn't plan it, people. I guarantee we didn't plan it. Ricardo Rawal was absolutely crazy. He smashed that freestyle just now.
Yeah, definitely, man. Is it?
And definitely. So all people are watching this right now. How can they find you and find the music online?
Right now you can find me on Instagram, Ricardo Rawal, and the Rawal spell R-A-W-A-L. Spell it different because we're keeping it real and raw and authentic. But mostly I want people to follow me on Spotify, and the same thing, Ricardo Rawal Music. Yeah, just follow me on Spotify and keep them following coming. Is it? So tell a friend, tell a family member, and keep it going. Yeah, that's what I'm focusing right now.
That's right. That was Ricardo Rawal right here in the Upnlive show. And we do wish him all the best for the 2018 and beyond. He's got lots of projects coming out. As he said before, he's going to be releasing new materials coming the month of May, between May and June. So do look out for that one right here on the Upnlive show. Remember, if you're watching this video, please like, subscribe, share. Also log on to the website, www.worlmagmedia.com or Worlmagtv. Click onto the Upnlive tab and you can see all the videos that we've done before. Keep it locked. This is Flames Radio.
Before you go, sorry for cutting my brother. I just want to say, any artist out there is open to showcase the talent. Just follow me as well. And Instagram, as I say, Ricardo Rawal, and True Loyalty Promotion. Is it? Because as I'm saying, we're doing a thing. Yeah, we want all of the artists them come together. Yeah. And we'll move together as one. You see me? Yeah. And break down all the shackles and all the wars and everything. Is it for 2018?
That's right.
So thank you very much, my brother.
Respect, and thank you very much for passing through right here.
Definitely.